Let's break answer for this question. Choose best options to create invoice list. Okay, assign factory calendar to contact person master data. There is no relation between invoice list. Invoice list is specifically points out for your bill to party at payer. Okay, contact person is optional master data. So option A is wrong, and assign invoice list to billing document type. This is correct. B is correct answer because we'll assign invoice list type the document type definition. Okay, as of now, create a milestone billing and assign to bill to party. This is absolutely wrong. Assign factory calendar to contact. See, I told you, right? Contact person master data is absolutely wrong. Okay. Assign invoice list to sales document type is also wrong. Cancel invoice list is also wrong. So assign calendar to ship to party master data is wrong. Okay. Here, the correct answer is okay. The first thing is the correct answer is for this. Invoice list type to billing type. Okay, this is the correct answer, and this need to be assigned to pair actually. Okay, so one more option is like invoice list type factory calendar need to be assigned to the pair master data, not ship to. Okay, so as of now the answer is B only for this question. If you like this confused query, okay, like it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, currently holding 780 plus videos, and all these are the different courses. I'm just providing these links. I specifically recommend these two courses before getting into the real time. One is for idoc training, getting master to write functional specification. If you have a doubts in pricing, this is one of my top course, and all these are the different courses available at my end. S4 HANA also, you can try all these courses. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.